Hi everyone, so a little bit of a different style video for me today. One of my team asked to do a card swap for us all, and she came up with the idea, and the brief was use something from the new Stampin Up annual catalogue which launched on the 3rd of June 2020 that's either brand new or that has carried over from the previous catalogue, and that was it. So I came up with this card. I've used plain white card for the base of my card. I've used some Whisper white card which I embossed using Swirls and Curls embossing folder. Now that is the only thing that isn't in the catalogue. I embossed it and stuck it to the front and then realised it hadn't carried over. But I went with it because I thought they'd forgive me. And then I used the Free as a Bird stamp set, which if you follow my channel, you've probably seen me use this quite a lot. I love it. I just think, at first when I first saw it, I was a bit unsure. I loved the Designer Series paper, which has now retired. And I was a little bit unsure about the stamp set. It's red rubber cling, but it's so versatile. So in the catalogue, just in case you've overlooked it, it's on page 85 of the new catalogue. You've got thank you, hello, the world needs more of you, thanks for being you, your friendship means the world to me, we're the best of friends. Then you've got the birds on the branch, you've got the singular bird, leaves and flowers. Now I used the bird, the two sizes of flower and this leaf, and I cut mine with the ScanNCut, but they would be easy enough to fussy cut. And then I just added a little rhinestone, and that was my card. So that was my contribution to the card swap. The next card I received from one of my lovely team. This is from Kathy, and she's used Floral Essence, which is a carryover, and again another stamp that you'll have seen me use quite a lot. So she's stamped the flowers, and then she's put this border in the middle, and one of the sentiments from the set is with friendly thoughts and best wishes today and every day, and she's used that, and she's used the leaf, and it's just lovely. She's used Daffodil Delight, Mango Melody and Granny Apple Green. So again, it may be another set that you've overlooked. Again, it's on page 118 of the current new catalogue. Photopolymer this time, so you know, easy to see where you're stamping. But again, lovely project using one of our brilliant stamp sets. The next card is from Teresa. She's used Timeless Tropical. You can see the lovely big flower here, the smaller flower. She's stamped all the background with the leaf from the set, and she's used Our Friendship is Timeless on the sentiment. And for her project, she's used Pear Pizzazz, Blushing Bride, Daffodil Delight. She's used the lovely labels here for the sentiment to go on, and she's used the pineapple as well, all from the set. Again, if you want to find it in the catalogue, it's on page 36. And again, this is another stamp set that I've got, but beautiful. And the back of her card, she's embossed with one of our embossing folders, which is Ornate Floral 3D embossing folder, and that's on page 185 of the catalogue. So again, another lovely project. Now this card is from Val, and she's done an accompanying envelope with a stamp design on it as well. This is early espresso cardstock with an early espresso layer, and she's used the Ornate Thanks. Now, as Stampin' Up demonstrators, we get to order products well before they come to the market and are available for customers, and we're also able to do what's called a pre-order. So every year before the new annual catalogue comes out, there are a certain number of items that are released on pre-order, and I think the pre-order was back in April time. I honestly can't remember. Have to be perfectly honest, there wasn't anything that particularly grabbed me, and I think this Ornate Garden Suite was one of the pre-order, and I don't know why. I may be wrong. I know the stamp set was, because I got the stamp set. That's really all I got from the pre-order, but I have a feeling that the suite was released as well, and it just kind of completely passed me by. But when I saw her card and everything that she's used, it's absolutely beautiful. So the designer series paper is here. I think this is the one that she's used. The colours in this suite are terracotta tile, bumblebee, old olive, mint macaron, early espresso and gold. And it's just lovely. She's got the ribbon. She's used the die cuts that are part of this suite. And she's used the sentiment. As I say, I've got the stamp set. She's used her sentiment with the thanks and then ever so much underneath. On my card, I've used the thanks and just wanted to say stamped over it. So there are various ways that you can use all these products. She's also used the Daisy Lane Daisy, and I just think it's absolutely beautiful. So, you know, sometimes things in the catalogue you're not taken by, and then you see them and you think, actually, why did I not get that? So that's another one. And the Daisy Lane that she's used, by the way, is on page 20, and it's here. And she's used the big daisy from it. And then finally, from Tracy, the lady in my team that actually organised the swap, she sent this. And she's also sent a tag, which is lovely, a little note that's got the leaves on it from Floral Essence. And again, she's used the Ornate bundle. And there are dies with this set. She's used the greenery embossing folder. She's used the leaves from Floral Essence on the back of a card. She's used the nesting dies. She's used the Ornate border dies, which are on page 177. So a lot going on in this card. Stitched, nested label dies. Just beautiful. So, as I say, when you're looking through the catalogue, I know it's difficult for me, but this is why I just thought I would come on and show you. So we've got all these beautiful cards. All made by people in my team and all from products that are in the current annual Stampin' Up catalogue. So the catalogue is available to view on my website. If you go to applelover53.co.uk, click on the Stampin' Up tab, and then you'll see another tab that says View PDF Catalogue. You can download it or view it online. But absolutely lovely. So I just thought I'd show you those because I'm blown away by, there's a bit of a theme going on. None of us knew what each other was using. As I say, the brief that we were given was use something from the current annual catalogue that's either new or carried over. Anyway, I hope you like that. I hope it's give you some help and inspiration. You know, if you've already got any of these products, then, you know, feel free to case them. So, thank you for your time. Please give the video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.